Happy Friday the 13th. We are very concerned about continued fighting along and beyond the line of contact, including in heavily populated civilian areas, and reports of additional resupplies of tanks and missile systems coming across the border from Russia in the past few days.
Where the information on the Russian equipment is coming from, where it's not coming from Senator Inhofe's office.
No, it's coming. The Russian military has deployed a large amount of artillery and multiple rocket launcher systems around Debalcevе, where it is shelling Ukrainian positions. We are confident that these are Russian military, not separatist systems. The Russian military also has air defense systems deployed near Debalcevе. We are also confident these are Russian military, not separatist systems. Russian units along the border with Ukraine are preparing a large shipment of supplies to pro-Russian forces fighting in eastern Ukraine. This is clearly not in the spirit of this week's agreement. All parties must show complete restraint in the run-up to the Sunday ceasefire, including an immediate halt to the Russian and separatist assault on Debalcevе and other Ukrainian towns. Clearly, the same options that have been on the table remain on the table.
An exchange between the Americans and the Russians who hold this prisoner. Would this be something that would be interested in?
Geneva 3 forum or another kind of venue.
We've called for Nadia Savchenko's release since she was first illegally spirited across the border and put on trial in Moscow. She's a hostage of the Russian government, and she must be released immediately. This week's agreement calls for the exchange of all hostages and illegally held persons taken during the conflict. In our view, this clearly includes Nadia Savchenko. We've seen the comments of some Russian officials. Obviously, this will continue to be a point of discussion in the implementation of this agreement, but we believe that she is part of the agreement.
Okay.